Alena says that you need a video, so we got this one. That's the filter we are already washing. So that's the block of drying. It's the camera actually. You can see the stand and the car is already here. So okay, about the sands, here we can see the drying. It's express dry, it's the express test, so we can do all of things. And settings of the drying is the heating up of the air when you drying time, and the cooling down, it's after the drying, air is cooling down to the 50 degrees actually. Yeah, so that's the drying block actually, block A. So the next one is the camera. Right here you can see like this. So we have the drying and two of washing, because we washing in the two ways, in the two ways, like here or here, and here, actually two ways for washing. Okay, next one, it's washing block. It's block B. So here we can see the current temperature, filtration, heating, actual tank level, the temperature that we set for the washing is actually 16, and the presets for the washing. We can pick a preset that we want. If we were actually washing a filter from the duty car, we need to pick more time and less quantity inject. If the another car like this one, for example, we need to pick a more inject and less time cycle. So yes, that's all about this. We have the filters here, 3 filters for the small drips, and there is another one filter. I don't think you will see it, but there's one more filter for the water. And here you can see inside of this, the another one cylinder is the filter for the big parts from the camera actually. It's like a nail maybe or something. So that's it. That's what we're using here. So yes.